So folks, this is the toolkit that comes with your new machine. You can also purchase a kit if you need one. If your existing kit, you've lost some of the components in it, but you can purchase it separately, but it does come with the new machines. First of all, your 15/16 socket. This is going to be used for your height adjustment, both left and right side. 7/8 socket, that's for your hardware to attach the blade to the blade holder. You got your universal attachment with an extension. Usually this universal piece is going to be used in the positions 5 and 6 in the middle of the blade. They're a little easier to get to loosen and tighten with this adapter here. And then finally, the Grace is our blade gauge tool. This tool is actually forged at 10 degree for you to create your 10-degree pitch, which is standard for all conditioners, for all our blades being attached, whether it's front hole or back hole. Allen keys that you're going to be wanting to have in your hands, 5/16 Allen key, and that's for your hardware, for the hex bolt, and also you want your Allen key covering the chain for the horizontal auger and the belt for the wash water. If you do have a hydrostatic machine, this is the wrench that you're going to use, and there's also one tie strapped, depending on what model you have, 500 series or 400 series. It's located in 2 different locations. But if you have to open up the bypass for the drivetrain, this is the wrench that you need to have.
The last thing you need to be doing is fumbling around, trying to find your parts. Having a nice kit where everything is laid out nice and clear. That's a huge piece right there.
Huge piece.
It's easy, it's accessible, and it's there for everyone. And it just makes sure that it's part of the machine as well.